Howdy, I'm Mushy, and you're you. Hello, you. And we're here at Dark and Creepy Diamond Painting with kind of as in-depth first impressions of a forever young tray storage kit system situation. My dad wanted to treat me to some early Christmas gifts, and this my friends was one of them. So let's see if my dad hit the nail on the head. I'm gonna guess yes, because I sort of told him what I wanted. Dad Mello knows nothing of diamond painting, so yeah, I did have to kind of guide him via an Amazon wish list. I did get this on Amazon. I'm ready to dig in now. I first saw these sets on Make Your Own Wall Art. Chris over there at Meow did some tickety talkers of this. Now, I'm sorry. Don't mistake this as an actual struggle for the average person. I am kind of working gimpy. I'm working one-armed here. I'm struggling a little bit, but it's not the product's fault. It's the Mushy's fault. We take the lid off. So this is like a big box. So let me get out ye old tape measure so that I can give you guys some like dimensional information. But it comes like almost like a shoebox situation, and inside said shoebox are these really pretty DMC colored and labeled stickers for our containers. And we're going to talk about this in a second and my personal plans for them, but so let's see. It's 14 inches long or wide. This depends on how you set it. Or 36 centimeters for those of you who are used to centimeters from all the diamond painting stuff we do. And then the width is 25.5 centimeters, or in inches, about 10 inches. So that's the size of this box. So this is over a foot long and almost a foot wide. And it looks like you could set this up to stand vertically, you know, up and down like that, or horizontal. You could set it on its face, or you could set it on its back like this. But it does take up some significant real estate, and that's the first thing I notice about this, is that the real estate it takes up. My first impressions are that this is meant to be kept kind of stored in this case, much like we have our little suitcasey things with jars and Tic Tacs, or we have the E-Ward style with the containers in a container. This seems to be very much like a container in a container situation, though no one says you have to do anything with anything. You could take these out and spew them all over your desk if you want, or put them in a different sort of storage containment unit, maybe something more compact or more customized than just a shoebox situation. It already has a con going for it besides the size, which is the color of the branding, pink. I mean, if there had been a choice for black, I would have chosen it, and it appears like mine is already a little damaged. I'm not sure how long these boxes, I mean, this isn't really thin chintzy cardboard, but it is cardboard, my friends. So how long this box is really gonna hold up with frequent use is anyone's guess. We'll have to tell that over time. We can't tell that right away. I did get the 45 pack, and they came out to, I think it was $43.99, so almost $1 a container. Almost $1 a container for 45. This, I mean, I've been doing some kits lately that have colors in the 60s. I know sometimes we have kits that have colors upwards of 100 and more. So I mean, that's pretty expensive and space consuming if you're going to do bigger kits. This might be good for multiple coaster or off canvas partial type sets, multiple in one place. This could be good for a project that you want to do over time, that doesn't maybe exceed 45, or if you like the, you know, box situation. And for storage purposes, you could get more and keep like long-term projects stowed away so that it looks nice, neat, and clean, and it's all compact and in a box for you. It is 3 1/4 inches deep, by the way. For me, again, cons aesthetically, pink box, no other option, and the size, how much space it takes. I don't know about anybody else, but I don't have an exceptionally large work area. So, and not only that, if I want to relocate from the living room to the craft room or here, there, and anywhere, there's no handle on this. That's kind of big and clunky, especially right now when I have like an arm that's weaker. This is kind of cumbersome. I don't know that I'm excited about that, but that's kind of the overview and my first general impressions and thoughts that are like popping in my head and out my mouth. Now these have like little nubbins. They can kind of squish a little bit, though I wouldn't recommend it because it is pliable. It is plastic. I can foresee this breaking, as any plastic would with abuse. So just, you know, kind of be careful. Just lightly, you know, use it to grab. Very nice for those of us with nails that want to kind of get in there and you don't really struggle. These are very easy to remove and pull out. And then you don't have to, I don't think you have to pinch. No, you don't have to pinch this. So I wouldn't pinch this to open. You don't have to. I would just pull it, like use your thumb and press it open, and maybe spare these nubbins from breaking, but it does snap shut and snap open. It is a flip top situation. Again, plastic with a plastic hinge. I can see over time, dozens and dozens of times of doing this over the course of a couple projects. I can already feel it loosening up, actually. Might be problematic. And over time, it's plastic. It's going to degrade. So at almost $1 a container, makes me a little nervous for its longevity. But again, only time will tell. Inside, you can see there are ridges. It's meant to be used as a storage unit and a tray. It's got a wide enough surface to put washi tape and or DMC stickers, label stickers, etc. on here. And yeah, I don't know what else you might need to know about this. There's a little design on the top, but there you go. Something that's like occurring to me that I'm a little curious about, and I guess we'll see as we use these, because we are going to kit up and see if we have any additional thoughts during the kit up process. And that means I'm going to be using this for the next 2 kits that I'm going to do. And so while I'm like looking at that and thinking that, it popped into my head. If we're meant to use this as a tray, that's why the grids are in here, because this is supposed to be like save you time, so you don't have to like pour from one thing into a tray and then pluck away and then pour back and then close and put away. It kind of saves you a step, but does it really? Because I'm thinking of some canvases I have that have like a lot of, say, 310 in it, or a lot of one color. You could shake it all day and you're not going to get to see the you know, it's not going to clear enough space for you to get multi-placer, and there may be single placing. In a lot of cases, I can see that there's going to be too many drills to actually utilize the tray function. But we'll see. We'll see once we get into using it. So there is that on that, my friends. I did keep the measuring tape out so that I could measure the individual containers for you if you're curious. 3 1/8 like long and 2.5 wide, and with the lid about 1 inch deep, just shy of 1 inch deep. That's what these are. So yeah, I've heard a lot of things about them. Saw Chris using them, seen a couple other creators kind of haven't really watched to see what they said because I knew I wanted to get these and I didn't want to be tainted. I didn't want my own opinion to be tainted by something I heard somewhere else. So I was like, oop, they're doing the that. I know I want to do the that. I'm not watching the that because I don't want to be tainted. So we are going to kit up 2 canvases in here. Now the 2 canvases I have, one has 22 colors, the other has 26. Mushy, you said this only held 45. Yeah. There are some overlap in color, so we're going to be able to double dip on some of these containers, thereby making these fit in, and we should have at least one to spare, one to grow on, one for trash drills or something. Before we kit up, I forgot to tell you, it did come with a package of really pretty stickers, really clear, really big, really good quality, rectangular shaped stickers. Now these are holographic stickers too, which is very pretty. And I'm gonna guess they included these in here so that we would use them or could use them as little stickers on our containment unit. The only way, I mean, these are really, they feel really thick, really good. They're very pretty, elaborate stickers. The only way I think I'd want to use these were if these were going to be my permanent, like, drill overflow storage or something. Like if I was going to use this to permanently store some of these drills, because these are too pretty to only use maybe once or twice. And with only 45 containers, I mean, it's not like I'm going to be doing all the same diamond paintings with all the same colors. So I feel like that's a waste. This kind of really great sticker would be wasted for my intents and purposes with this. We do have some alphabetical letters here as well, and the Forever Young symbol available to us as well. And looks like we're missing a sticker off the cuff right here. This one. That one is missing. It's just gone. It is not on the sheet prior. Let's check the backs of these to see, are we stuck somewhere? Did we rip, peel off? No, I am not. I am not seeing an extra errant sticker anywhere hiding. So, and it looks like the Forever Young logo is also a sticker, but yeah, it's a mystery to me where this one went, but we are already missing a DMC. So, but my plans for this, because they are such good quality, clear stickers, very pretty, very durable, I'm thinking about using these for drill overflow. They're holographic. They might be good for like ABs, fairy dusts, special drills in general, or specifically ones that remind you of holographic, like the holographic nature of these stickers here. What else could you use them for? I'm thinking like maybe there's metallics, there's gemstone, there's jelly, there's fairy dust or pixie dust, whatever you want to call them. There's ABs. There's all kinds of drills out there now, and I think these would be better suited for overflow or special drill long-term storage than temporary kit usage. So we'll be saving these for the future. And for now, we are just going to use our own little Xyron sticker maker made stickers. That was my first impression. Again, we did not use the stickers provided because I think they are too pretty and too big and too special to be used on something like this, just to be ripped off when I'm done with those 2 kits and wasted, thrown away. So we're going to use them on something a little more permanent, like long-term storage. That's all I got for you guys today. I would love, love, love to hear in the comments down below, do you have Forever Young? Do you have 15 or 45? Are you thinking about getting this? What do you think of my thoughts, my impressions? Do you have different thoughts and impressions? Do you have experience with this product? Have you seen other videos? And maybe, did I miss something? Am I missing something like a life-changing, opinion-changing, life-altering? Do you think this was worth $45 just based on size, appearance, use, functionality? Do you feel that these are worth almost $1 a container? Yeah, let me know all the things down in the comments below. And with that, we are done here. And thank you for hanging out with me. Until next time, Stay naughty.